Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your speaker Hama Cube to 0 with your MacBook. You have to start by click on the Bluetooth icon, now go to settings, and after that press and hold power button on your speaker for at least 3 seconds. Here we go, now it should enter pairing mode automatically, so we should see it on the list. Now click Connect. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!